IBKR Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. First thing with interactive brokers is that it did kind of come down a little bit, and that's perfect because now we're inside a demand zone. Now, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with the most proof documented, so I've kind of seen what's making me money and what's not. With IBKR specifically, all that's left is just the confirmation. That's all. You know, without any confirmation, I'm not looking to take things further higher. And in this instance, okay, that's where we are. I'm just about to wait, you know, because the more I've been in the game, the more I've figured I'd better just follow my mind energy, mind points to other tickers that are actually giving me the rules and just set like alerts here and chill. But just focus what to do in the meantime, you know, and I'll keep you updated. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.